Sure. Here's your updated 700-word YouTube script for your channel TM Reviews, now tailored specifically to Thailand and its involvement with the F-16 ADF Life Upgrade 2025 model. The tone stays friendly and engaging for your audience. Sawasti Krub, Ka. Thy currency thy welcome back to TM Reviews, your trusted channel for all things military, aviation, and defense tech with a special focus on Thailand. Today, we're diving into something very exciting for our Royal Thai Air Force fans at the F-16 ADF Life Upgrade 2025 model. This upgrade is giving our aging Falcons a serious boost in performance, tech, and combat capability. Let's get into it. The F-16 Fighting Falcon has served in the Royal Thai Air Force for decades. Our squadrons, like Wing 4 in Nakhon Sawan and Wing 1 in Nakhon Ratchasima, have flown these jets proudly and effectively. But as times change, technology evolves. That's why Thailand has invested in a midlife upgrade, or MLU, and now, in 2025, we're seeing a fresh life upgrade model that's breathing new life into these legendary aircraft. So what's changing with this upgrade? Let's start in the cockpit. The original F-16 ADF models had older analog systems, but with this 2025 upgrade, Thai jets are getting modern digital avionics. Think full-color multifunction displays, hands-on throttle and stick controls, HOTAS, and a more pilot-friendly interface. It's all about improving situational awareness, which is key in fast, complex missions. Next up is the radar system. The old mechanical radar is being replaced with the advanced AESA, active electronically scanned array radar, likely the Northrop Grumman Sabre system. This means much better range, target tracking, and jamming resistance, critical features when dealing with modern threats in our region. Now let's talk weapons. The new systems allow our upgraded F-16s to carry a wider and smarter range of munitions. That includes AIM-120 AMRAAMs, AIM-9X Sidewinders, and JDAM precision-guided bombs. This makes our jets not only more lethal, but also more precise and versatile, perfect for both air defense and ground strike roles. But it doesn't stop there. The Royal Thai Air Force is also adding enhanced electronic warfare systems, like new radar warning receivers and jamming pods. This helps protect our pilots from enemy missiles and radar systems, giving them a better chance to survive and complete their missions. Another big part of the upgrade is connectivity. These jets will now have improved Link 16 data links systems, allowing them to communicate securely with each other and with ground stations in real time. That's essential in joint operations, whether it's defending Thai airspace or working alongside our ASEAN or allied partners. And here's something we're really excited about: structural improvements. These jets are getting life extension modifications, which means they can fly safely for many more years, potentially into the 2030s or even 2040s. This is a smart move, allowing Thailand to maintain air power without immediately investing in brand new 5th-gen aircraft. There's also talk that Thailand may be introducing helmet-mounted cueing systems as part of this package. That would allow our pilots to target enemies just by looking at them, perfect for use with advanced missiles like the AIM-9X. It gives a huge advantage in close air combat. So what does this all mean for Thailand? Simply put, this 2025 F-16 upgrade keeps the Royal Thai Air Force strong, modern, and ready. We can extend the lifespan of our current fleet while gaining many of the features you'd expect from newer jets. It's cost-effective, powerful, and perfectly suited to Thailand's current defense needs. And let's be honest, there's something very cool about seeing our classic Thai F-16s, with their iconic paint schemes and tail flashes, flying with brand new capabilities. It shows that even though the aircraft may be older, the technology inside is cutting edge. Alright friends, that wraps up our look at the F-16 ADF Life Upgrade 2025 A Thai Edition. Thy superscript 1 thy AI diaris is Sedilla. What do you think? Do you believe this upgrade is enough? Or should Thailand start thinking about next-gen fighters like the F-35 or Gripen E? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow aviation fans, and don't forget to subscribe to TM Reviews for more awesome content focused on Thailand's defense, aviation tech, and regional military updates. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay safe, stay smart, and keep looking up. Swasti Krub. Thy superscript 1 thy eths thy. Let me know if you'd like Thai subtitles, a version for shorts, or if you want to turn this into a video with visual cues and B-roll suggestions.